Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl and Kama Kawaida. We give thanks to God for blessing us, gifting us the gift of life, man. We don't take it for granted, and that's how we start this channel, with just praising Jesus. Okay, yeah, we don't just take it for granted. And so, guys, if you're new here, Almax Kenya is all about educative and entertaining contents. Yes, we make sure we get to entertain you a little bit and also make you learn it, educate you. And we also share ideas, so make sure to share your comments down there below in the comment section. Tell us about the video, what you would like me to do in the next video, okay, or what you'd like to see, anything. Just share your love down there. And if you're new here, ama kama you are a fan na bado huja subscribe, manze, just hit that subscribe button. It really supports my work. It feels so good when you just go look at your channel and you're like +1 +2 +3 subscribers. It really feels so good, and it gives you that energy to go back, the zeal to go back and do more and more and more. Okay, yeah, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it's a wonderful video. I'm sure you're going to grab something that maybe you never knew. Okay, yeah, and maybe if I have not mentioned something that you think it is useful, kindly make sure to share it down in the comment section. It will help all of us. Anyone who comes around it will be helped with. I got to order something on Jumia. If you don't know Jumia, just go Google about Jumia. It's an online app where you get to purchase your goods or stuffs, and they get to deliver it to you wherever you are. Okay, yes, that's how easy it is. It's actually a very easy and simple app to use, so go check it out. And so I decided to unbox this package with you guys, so that you can also get some details about the package itself, the item that I purchased, because I want to share the inner details about it. It's something that I've really been wanting, like, so much, because it's something that will be helping me in content creating. I want to be that fluent, in content creating, and it was like an obstacle, but right now I am sorted. Yes, like, I'm sorted. So make sure to stay tuned, watch this video till the end, so that you won't miss even a single bit of info, okay? Because I'm sure I'm gonna give you all the details. So let's do this, guys. So guys, this is the package, as you can see, from Jumia, all covered with Jumia paper, with the receipts there. That's how it's always covered. We're going to be removing the paper that is wrapped with it, the Jumia paper. That's the receipt. For it has all the information of the buyer and the seller, just to be sure that your package is safe. they really take their time to package because it's a fragile item, so they really had to package it so well to avoid any damages while delivering it. It comes with a phone holder. Okay, as you can see. And here is our package. My tripod stand, manze. I've really been wanting to buy this thing. I had like a small stand, but it's so weak. Actually, so shooting was a bit difficult for me. So I decided to order this amazing tripod stand, which is 2 meters. So we want to see if it's exactly the measurement that we saw and what we really ordered for. Here it is, our tripod stand. This is how it came looking like. So we want to stretch it out to 2 meters. It's a good one, it's a nice one. So let's stretch it out. This is how you do it if you get in yours. So there it is. Yeah, the down part can really extend. And it's so flexible, you can just extend it how you want. So this is how you put your phone holder. That's how you fix it. I'm so excited about this tripod stand because I've really been suffering doing content. So you rest assured content zinakuja kukuja. So that's how it is. You put your phone here. Let's do it practically so that you can be able to see. We're going to test it right now. There is our phone. So you just place it. You see, it holds really well. And then now you get to shoot your video. I'm super excited because the length, oh my god. And then it's not weak. This stand is so strong. And then you can always adjust it to the length, to the height that you want. You can always adjust it to the length that you want. You can put it on top of something if that's how you wish. You can also adjust the stand behind down there. There is our stand, guys. You see the length? The length is super good, super awesome. It's so easy to shoot wherever you are, whatever height that you want to shoot from. So I think there is a good deal from Jumia, and oh my god, the price is incredible. Yani, it comes with a very nice price compared to you going direct to the shops. Sometimes you're conned, especially if you're not so keen or if you're not used to buying such things. Trust you, utagongwa. But with Jumia, I think they're genuine and legit. Because most of my things actually, I always get them from Jumia and I don't regret a thing. So let's try and pull it down. and see how it looks like, you know. Let's try and adjust it. So you're going to first remove the phone holder. Maybe you're done shooting, so if you safely just remove the phone holder. If you wish, put it aside, and then now you get it to a shorter length. There are the knobs that you use to adjust your height, the height of the tripod. You loosen the knobs so that it can be easier. That's how you do it. Actually, you can carry it if you want to do a shoot or take it, maybe do something with it outdoors or somewhere. It's something you can really carry at your comfort, as in it's not too big, and it's actually so light. It's not heavy, it's so light, so you can always carry it if you want to shoot or do something outdoors, huh? Yeah, so I would 100% recommend you know, you get your stuff from Jumia. If you want a tripod stand to shoot, maybe you're a content creator out there, or you want to start creating content and you don't know how to go about it, this is the best stand. And it comes, you can go to Jumia, just download the app and get to see the various types. There are quite a lot of types you can get to choose from, and then also the prices vary and range depending with the seller, so you go choose what fits you best. Okay, so that's it, guys. Hope you've learned something, hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So support the channel by subscribing, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that anytime I come up with any beautiful good video, you are the first one to be notified. So until next time, guys, it's a wrap. Bye bye.